Okay, let me show you how you can create a unique link that will show your clients all of the open house events that are upcoming. All right, so go to your home page. You can click in here. Let's say we're looking at Beverly Hills. So just do a search on your IDX, find Beverly Hills from the drop-down menu, and then we're going to click on more options. It's going to open Beverly Hills, and then also on the right-hand side, our filters, okay? So if I scroll down, I can actually go ahead and check mark open house and then apply filters. Oh, hang on. I'm going to put the Beverly Hills. All right, perfect. Okay, so Beverly Hills and open house is checked on. We're going to apply the filters. Now it's going to show any upcoming open houses, and you can see these all have an open house tag. So all you need to do is copy this link and then go ahead and share it. And so I'm just going to drop this in the chat here. And then if you wanted to create something that wasn't specific for a lead, right? So we're going to create a squeeze page so that now you're ready to share this on social media. This is going to be an evergreen link that you can share for your niche market, your area of choice. So we're going to go to lead engine. We'll go down to squeeze page, select your website and start building. And then you can select multi-property. We're going to put Beverly Hills in here. Now, of course, just let the location load. And if you see that this turns gray, now let's just put, let's see if we can put multiple areas. Let's see if it'll let us. Okay, so we have city, Beverly Hills. Let's see if we can get the neighborhood in here as well. Beverly Hills, we're going to do the area. I'm just going to select all of them. And this allows us to capture wherever the listing has been listed on the MLS. So we've got the neighborhood, the area, the city. Let's just see what other options there are under Beverly Hills. Okay, yeah, no, I think that's good. So Beverly Hills, we've got the location. I'm going to leave the listing type. You know what? We'll do single family. We'll do townhouse. We'll do condo. So select your listing types and then style, price range. Let's leave everything open, but under options, we're going to put open house. So now we have Beverly Hills area, city, neighborhood, what kind of listing, and then open house. And then on the right, let's say this is going to be shared specifically for Facebook. I'm going to put my source as FB, or you could type out Facebook. The main thing here is to be consistent. Any squeeze pages that you do into the future. And then I'm going to put open house, and then I might actually put here Beverly Hills. Okay, so now I know I can segment these leads. Who is looking for open houses in Beverly Hills? Property views allowed. I'm going to let them view 2 properties before we squeeze them, and then I'm going to hit generate link. Now I'm just going to copy that. So our search just for Beverly Hills here only pulled up 2 main ones here. It's got 8 results. Let's just see what our squeeze page did with those 3 areas. Okay, and we got 17. So the squeeze page here is actually a little bit more beneficial because we're getting a broader range of areas included. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and save this link and then share this one as well. Okay, so that's how you create an open house list for your leads to be able to see what events are coming up. So I do suggest, unless the lead is asking and they're already in your CRM, so you don't need to do lead capture. So you could do the IDX search for that type of lead. But if you're wanting to use an evergreen link that you could share for social media and start lead capturing with this specific goal of finding hot buyers who are searching for open house events, the squeeze page is your ticket. All right, hope that was helpful.